Tonight I'm not even gonna try to do a good job. I'm just like, you know, I think Drew, she's having a hard time today. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's what I have for you. I have a lot on my lap right now. I'm like, it's so late at night. It was a snow day today. I'm struggling just as a human being in general. Like, I don't know what my problem is today, but like, it's just one of those days where I'm just like struggling, and I'm like, I'm not even gonna try and like fake it with you guys tonight, which that's actually probably even more funny to you guys who are like regular Just Like Drew people. You're like, so these other times she was actually trying to do a good job. Tonight I'm not even gonna try to do a good job. I'm just gonna like we're just gonna like power through this video, and if you stay till the end, comment and tell me, be like, I made it to the end of this video. And if you're forever changed, I'm guessing I will be too. So today technically is like the 8th day of box week, but it's not like we had like a skipped day in between because we didn't receive this box yet. But this is the last box we were waiting for. Before I tell you what box we're opening, we're gonna be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is this box of goodies right here. I'm thinking like next month's that like a Erno Laszlo Tatcha mask. Like seriously, right now this box is full of amazing stuff. I think next month we'll probably do that actual post that giveaway. So tonight we're opening a box we've had on this channel for a while, but it's like the rebranding of this box. So I'm like really freaking out about it because it's like I saw a little bit about it, but you guys know I try to not really check the news on what's happening with subscriptions so I can be surprised when I open stuff on my channel. So tonight we're going to be opening the Allure Beauty Box. Look at it! It's no longer red. Look at it. It's white now. And it's wider. I think there's a bag in there too. I don't know. And I also think this month there's supposed to be like insanely high value items. Like I've seen so many people like buzzing like, oh, I'm so excited about Allure. So I'm excited. Allure is a $15 per month subscription service made by the people who make Allure magazine. It was struggling for a little while. Lately it's been like very, very good and like good quality product. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, I've got like almost 2.5 minutes in this video before I was like, if you're new and you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because you're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. Okay, so I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here. If I can get him safely open. I'm going to cut the seal on this. Yeah, so before it was like in a red box. It just had like plastic on it. You peel the plastic off. Now it's like in a white box. And it's taped shut, and that's all just like, I don't know what to do. So I'm so nervous to open. I'm gonna open it anyway. Okay, so on the top, they still have the little like magazine item inside here. Usually they tell you about all the items that you got in your box bag thingy and like what all of them do. Okay, yeah, so look at it. It is definitely like a bag now, and it's clear. But my problem is like I can see what's in it. So I'm like, I gotta set it down and like look away so I can't see. This thing's getting on my nerves. This box has got to go. So it's like a bag now. All right, I'm gonna try and reach in here and not look. I don't know. Also, I forgot to mention what this is even about if you didn't know. I'm assuming that the only people watching this video right now are people who are already subscribers. That was not a good assumption. But I also made it clear that I'm not even trying today. So this box, basically, I also feel like my hair is being weird right now. It's basically like, I get a lot of subscriptions, and rather than keep everything that I get in my subscriptions, I keep some stuff, I put some in here to give away, and then once this box is full, I like put a video up, and I'm like, you want to win this box? That's all you gotta do. And like it's like the 6th time we've done this. It's a lot of fun. So I felt like I should explain what that actually is. Okay, so the first item I'm pulling out of here is, ooh, Way Scalp and Body Scrub. We just got this in something. This is that Way Scalp and Body Scrub stuff. We just got this in something. Okay, so I'll be real. I've tried this in my hair. So this like new scrub, I tried it in my hair, and I just don't feel like I don't feel like it really did much of anything. I did like last time I got my hair washed, I was like, all right, I'm going to scrub my scalp with this. I think this is a bigger size than the one I got originally. But I didn't feel like I was noticing anything major for my actual scalp. I mean, I guess it was nice after I got my hair dyed because then it was like all that extra dye that was still like stuck up in there, got it out. But like, I don't know, I guess like probably for your body it would be great. But like for my actual hair, I didn't see much of a difference. But I'm going to put this in the giveaway box because I did already get one and I have already tried it. So I don't need to like technically keep this. The next thing that we got is A+ high dose retinoid serum from Sunday Riley. Ooh, we got a Sunday Riley serum. Okay, I am like going to try a little bit of this. I've never tried this serum so far. Nothing's coming out of here. They might have sent me an empty. Oh no, it all just squirted on my hand. That was bad. That was bad. It kind of has an odd scent to it. It's like summer, sunscreen, and apple juice. I don't know. Also, not sure if my hand feels like it's really improved greatly from that, but there's that. So we got that in there. The next that we got is NCLA Los Angeles Call My Agent nail polish. Look at that. Guys, I don't even paint my nails, but part of me wants to keep this because like it's a really pretty color. But I'm going to put it in the giveaway box because I don't paint my own nails because I can't stay within the nail lines. Like I've tried it. Like I've tried painting my kids' nails and it's still bad. So I just don't paint my nails. All right. Next thing that we have is, oh my gosh, CEO Glow Sunday Riley Face Oil, you guys. Can you see it? Can you even see what I have? Oh my God, the focus. Right now, focus. Don't do this, man. Come on, buddy. Come on, man. You gotta show them what we got here. This is face oil with advanced vitamin C. Okay, hydrate and glow, instantly absorbing with vitamin C. So, okay. Oh, this looks really good. I'm trying to read like if you're supposed to do this in the morning or at night. I'm assuming you can kind of do it whenever. So I'm going to try a little bit on my hand of this. So I don't usually use a lot of face oils because what happens is sometimes you get a face oil, first of all, like a little dab goes a really long way. Now you're going to focus. Now the camera's like, I'll show you now. A little goes a long way. And sometimes like when this stuff absorbs into your skin, you can actually end up breaking out. But my skin has been so dry this winter. That feels amazing. Man, so Sunday Riley was just like all up in this bag today. Like it was like sponsored by Sunday Riley. All right, next thing that we have is Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Oh my gosh, I actually like needed a new hair mask too. Like this bag, I just feel like they knew that I was struggling today. And they were like, you know, I think Drew, she's having a hard time today. Let's just send her some face oil. Let's just get her a hair mask. Let's just fix her up. You know, like let's just get her life put back together. All right, so this is Amika Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask. It's got a little thing on it. I was gonna smell it, and there's like one of those little safety seals on it. I'm trying to get it off. Probably won't ever get it off. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe. Nope. Still no. I don't know. So far, have you guys noticed like how much stuff we've already gotten in here for $15? Like, bro. This is like really good. Like this honestly, like, so I don't know if they're doing it this bomb because it's like the first one. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Woo, that smells good. I don't know if it's like they're doing it this way because it's like the first one of the year and it's like the new method, or if like Allure is really gonna be like on top of it like this. Because honestly, for $15, all of this stuff is about to kick like every other subscription's butt. There's still 2 more items in here, by the way. Yeah, there's like these 2 things in there. Okay, so we got a Douche Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in like this deep, sexy red tone. I'm putting this in the giveaway box. I have a lot of red lipstick right now. I need to stay in my lane and not try and be greedy because I already have a ton of red lipstick. And then we have Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. So this is a shadow stick. I'm going to put this away because I want to look in the book to see if they show it is. But seriously, you guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in here for $15. Like, come on. And one, okay. So I'm looking in the little book. I usually don't even do this, but like I told you guys, I'm not really gonna even try and whatever tonight. So, okay, the shadow stick, it is in a burnished bronze color. That's, I guess, what it looks like. We're putting that in the giveaway box. That's why I'm not actually opening it. This shadow stick is $25. Okay, so if you're keeping track out there, somebody add all this up and tell us at the end. All right, the Way Scalp stuff, if it's full size, it's $38. It's not full size. Okay, so we got the face oil here. And I want to say this is probably the full size. This is $80. $80 product. The serum, if it was full size, would be $85. And the lip product is $22 right there. And it's like in this color shade of red right there. The Amika hair mask, if it's full size, would be $28. It looks like there's supposed to be some sort of like beauty blender product in here. I didn't even get that. I didn't even get that. This little thing. I don't know. Am I supposed to get this? You guys, am I supposed to be getting this in there? Because I didn't get it. So, oh, but you know what? I got the nail polish. I got the nail polish instead. Honestly, though, that's okay because I just feel like this is amazing. And I'm so, like, honestly, I'm so impressed right now. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm so blown away by this and the value. Like, we got an $80 item in a $15 bag, and we got 7 items total. This whole thing equals about like $150, $200. Like, this is insane. All right, so to recap, we got the NCLA Los Angeles Call My Agent nail polish, which is going in the giveaway box. We got the Way Scalp and Body Scrub, which is going into the giveaway box. We got the Douche Red Matte Lip product, the Allure Beauty Everclear or Evercolor Shadow Stick, which is in that bronze tone. We got the Amika Nourishing Hair Mask. We got the CEO Glow Face Oil, as well as the A+ Retinoid, I think it's retinoid. Yeah, high dose retinoid serum from Sunday Riley. Like, you guys, seriously, this is phenomenal. Like, absolutely beyond impressive. Like, seriously, Allure just came out swinging. Like, I told you, like, I remember like over a year ago, it was like struggling. Like, you were like, okay, Allure, like, ooh, please get it together. And now they're just like, we got it together. So they are like no longer like the left eyebrow of subscription services, and they are like coming in. Like, honestly, I feel like they could come out and like they could take BoxyCharm by surprise, and like I really do. Like, if they keep it up like this, I feel like BoxyCharm like is already like one of the best subscriptions out there, but I feel like they're gonna have to end up stepping it up even more because Allure is $5 less per month, and they're like crushing it with like products and things. So I'm excited. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. And you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below. This video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you soon for like another video of some sort. Not this box week for January. I didn't even mention that it was January 2019. Wow, this was tough. Well, if you stayed to the end, make sure you comment and let me know how shook or changed you are for the better or not better. All right, talk to you. Love you.